front of me is XIAOMI Pad 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. First of all, you need to hold your search bar and wait for this pop-up to show. When it does, hit remove and wait. As you can see, my search bar was successfully deleted. To restore it, pinch your display and tap on Widgets at the bottom in the middle. Then scroll. Hold this widget under Google, place it wherever you wish and let go. Then click on the home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!